Thank you for joining me in this journey. Hopefully it was fun and simple and makes sense in your real life examples. Hopefully we succeeded in approaching you into loving the calculus more and giving you a passion to learn more about calculus. There's many topics in calculus that you can learn and can be useful in your real life, either in a research-based life or into even the practical life and in the work field. Thank you for joining this course again. It was fun having this course with you. I hope that you have learned all what you expected to learn from this course. I will tell you one last thing over here. Don't let anybody convince you that the calculus is hard or the math is hard, even though that somebody or something is the closest to you, which could be even your brain. You can always trick your brain and push him to the limits, because your brain deserves more and he can solve way more complicated topics and understand way more extraordinary patterns in life. And by doing that, you can push yourself beyond your limits and be as creative as possible. Keep happy, keep creative, and keep learning. We are looking forward to see your products and your achievements that make the world easier and happier place to live. Thank you from me, Dr. Raouf Tailoni, and I hope that you will have the best of luck in your future endeavors. Thank you.